Hey YouTube, Dan here from EAP Films Official, and today we're going to be checking out Morissette performing Fly Like a Bird, which is a cover from Mariah Carey. I've had a lot of requests for this song since I've been back in the reacting world, so let's jump straight in, not waste any more time. I already like the contrast between the male and female vocals.
Somehow I know that there's a place up above. Though my heart is struggling, free from all atrocities and suffering, because I feel the unconditional love. One who cares enough for me to erase all my burdens and let me be free to fly like a bird, take to the sky. I need you now, Lord. Carry me high, don't let the world break me tonight. I need the strength of you by my side. Sometimes this life can be so cold. I pray you come and carry me home. If we loved each other, we would find victory. But in this harsh reality, sometimes I'm so despondent that I feel the need to fly like a bird.
Oh wow.
To the sky, I need you now, Lord. Carry me high, don't let the world break me tonight. Leave the strength of you by my side. Sometimes it's life can.
I'm really liking how simple this is as a video. And even aesthetically as well. Oh, that's nice. Very retro. Oh, don't be a tease, Maury. What? I love how she's having fun with the runs. My days. Oh, I'm done. I am so done. What? That's how she ends the song. Seriously, that's how the song actually ends. Oh, I mean, you can pretty much tell that I'm not familiar with the song. I know it's going to be a 90s classic probably, but as I've said in many of my videos, a lot of my music exposure is through you guys, because I don't really listen to the radio. So, and obviously in the 90s, I was out just playing as a kid, so I didn't listen to the radio. I found that fascinating to watch, because as the song started off pretty much what you'd expect really, so I was just kind of getting into the rhythm of it, kind of getting involved and just kind of, you know, seeing how it's all gonna adapt to my senses, or how my senses would adapt to the song more so. And it wasn't until maybe midway through the song when I started to be like, hang on, this is building up here to something quite special, you know? Mariah Carey is such a great singer, so you know, her runs and vocal athletics is so difficult to kind of replicate, and Mori just sings that with absolute ease. I'm just like, what? And the notes that she hits, I mean, I don't have an ear for what note it actually is, but my god, it was high. And the whistles as well. Oh, and normally for a song like this where it's building up and then gets more energized and you get all the belting stuff towards the end, it normally ends with it getting softer again and sort of kind of trickling out and just, you know, easing you out of the song. This didn't. It was just like higher and higher and higher. You finally get the belting, the whistles, the runs, and it stops and you go, I feel like I've been put up on a massive high and not being able to get down. It's like rock climbing and not being given the gear to get down again. She just left me up there. She stranded me up here. I'm on like cloud 9. Like, how do I get down from here? And also what I liked about this video as well in particular was the sort of simplistic styling. I suppose that's one thing about lockdown and quarantining, is you are just at the mercy of what you have available. And yeah, it's black and white, yeah, it's in their homes, but it doesn't matter, you know, it's very simple, very effective, and it just shows you if you've got the gear at home, I mean, you can just produce some amazing content. So you don't need a big fancy studio, you don't need like, you know, 4K cameras, multicam, drones and stuff. You can just have a very simplistic video like this and still be very effective. At the end of the day, what this shows you is it's all about the voice. So that was my reaction. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.